Good evening. Here from the NC Ed Cloud page I'm going to show you how to get onto a Microsoft Teams meeting. So your student will need to sign in with their 10-digit ID and their password. They will click Canvas. Then they will click onto My Class. You can see announcements up top, and if you scroll down, you can see that my live lessons are Monday through Thursday, and they're going to be from 8:45 a.m. to 10, and then math will be from 10 to 11. So all the scholar needs to do to join is click this pink button. They should have an option to click Open Microsoft Teams because it's downloaded on their computer as an app. Then they will need to turn their microphone off and simply click Join Now. Their screen might look a little bit different when they click Join because I will have to accept them into the class. So it will probably say that they're in a waiting room. And that is how they get onto their Teams meeting.